Okay, so this is just a quick instructional video on the operation of the app for the Strata SLR laser series. When you open the app, this will be the first view that you see, and it'll say add device. Just a small vagary with this app is that if you hit the add device button, nothing happens, and it just goes to another blank screen that says scan. What you need to do when this device is showing you is hit the grey square or the text itself, and that connects to the current device, confirm, and so the device is connected. So you actually hit this button here itself. It says, okay, so this is already connected, but you go confirm to disconnect, if you want to disconnect. Now there's a very quick overview here on the app itself. Down the bottom, again, it's a little bit of a vagary where they see the device status, parameter, and user tabs. Now these are showing light grey, which traditionally has meant that they're not available to hit, but you can hit the status button like that and it brings up the status, so it tells you it'll highlight any faults if there's any fault codes have come up and tell you what's going on there. You can scroll down to the bottom of that and you can see wire feed, start or stop. You can put gas output, start and stop, just to check that wire feed's working, that gas is working, or purge the gas. Then the parameters with regards to how to set up your machine for many different settings, and this is all covered in depth in your manual with the different settings, and we'll also be doing further instructional videos on this, the actual settings themselves. And you've got a storage tab there, which means you can store custom programs on this machine, but we'll cover that in a further video in more detail. And then user is obviously just some update settings and that sort of thing, which we'll cover for later on if there's even need for app update and that sort of thing. We'll cover that in a separate video, but this is a basic overview of how to get your app up and running. Thanks.